Hey everybody, welcome back to Witt Ford. This is Danny at Crivitz, and get ready for this 2023 XLT F-150 in the hot pepper red. This is available right now. Okay, great fit if you're looking for a brand new truck. You want the 5.0 V8 engine. XLT trim level is going to give you a nice chrome on the outside. I'm going to step on into the inside here. That's power seat with the console 20 setup for the front row. Great cloth in the back. They give you some functionality here. It's got the cloth carpets. Does have the rhino liner for the bed lighting. So it does feature the power sliding rear window. Again, the center console. 2023 is the 75th anniversary, so don't miss out on that. Just 13 miles on this brand new one from the factory. Lane centering assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic climate control, heated seats, 4-wheel drive, and your trailer brake controller is integrated already in the dash. Backup camera, ambient lighting. This one's ready to go. Come see Danny at Crivitz.